my beautiful people, in this video I want to test Perplexity versus Arc Search. And a friend of mine suggested that I would really check Perplexity AI, specifically mobile. And at that point, I've been using Arc Search for like a few weeks and I'm super happy with it. So I thought it would be really interesting to make a video of like side by side because Perplexity was allegedly the OG. So what even are these? Basically, it's an AI search engine that you can just conversate with. On Arc Search, I can actually Google like normally, I can search normally, but I can also let it browse for me. And Perplexity is only like conversational. They have resources like GPT-4 and other things that I'm gonna list here if you're interested. They both are very new apps. To be honest, I absolutely love that there's like a browser war right now. And I'm like, yes, please give us all the best features for browsers, because browsing in 2024 is different. Like, we're browsing differently today than we were a decade ago, and it's only gonna change and improve from here. I use the AI search so often. Like, ChatGPT is basically like my Google now. So I'm extremely happy, I'm extremely excited to check out Perplexity. Let's just start. Okay, so right off the bat, I actually really love like the welcome screens. I am recording my screen. I'm just gonna say I haven't had my coffee yet today and it's like 12 p.m. so there's that. Okay, let's open the app. Do I want a subscription? I don't, not at this point. Oh, so many pop-ups. Feed your curiosity. Wow, this image, it's so pretty. Where knowledge begins. Okay, ask anything. What are the top UX principles for a new designer? And if you haven't seen my last video, I'll link it here. I've started a new series. The name is UX Principles for Beginners. Okay, so here is the answer. It has all the sources listed. I actually like the sources. Can I click this? Okay, I can't. Okay, I can click the gallery. Okay, so it's like images. So once I clicked it, if before I only saw the icon, now I don't see the icon, but I see the photos. Interesting. What is the play? Maybe it's a feature that I will never have. And related questions. Is that it? That's what I would love so much about it. What is discover? Post-dynamic. Okay, so it's like news. 5 billion. Woo! That's a product you want to follow immediately. I feel that like this is obviously this is the year of AI. Okay, so whatever. Threads. Why is it threads? Is this called a thread? Ask anything. They never said the word thread. I guess it's a thread because I can ask like follow-up questions. Okay, it does say thread at the top. From what my friend told me, everybody copied their UX. And I can see that. And I did make a video on Arc Browser. I'm in love with this browser. Everything I do now is Arc Browser. But it's basically the same. If I search like UX print, I don't like to type UX principles for beginner UX designers. Oh, I clicked search. I should have clicked browse for me. So I can search go and it will search like a normal search. And if I click the browse for me, it will search. And to be honest, I think Arc did it better. Maybe, is it because I'm used to Arc? Honestly, I don't know. But I love, like, I should change the title of this video to Arc Search is my go-to mobile app at this point. First of all, it gives you the photos. Let's compare. It gives you the photos on top, and in I don't know how to say it. Oh, it doesn't have a search history. That's interesting. I'm editing this video now and I understand that the threads is the history, but I still don't like it. If I hit the search, I would imagine my last search would be there. So I still don't like it, but if you really want your history, go to threads. I'm just searching something, I don't really care. Okay, so they do have the photos now. I wonder why they didn't have the oh, maybe it was loading and that's why it had the icon. not sure. And they have the sources on top like that, which is, I mean, the icons, first of all, they don't look really nice. Like, not all the logos and the icons of website are gonna be pretty. I know it looked amazing on the design, but it doesn't look amazing in the actual product. And if I can give you one tip in this entire video, always, always, always test your product with actual real data. Because a lot of thumbnails and logos that you think are gonna be sick in the design are actually hella ugly, and they shit your entire design. If I'm going back to Arc, and even here, they put it in like a gray box that even if the logo is ugly, it's gonna look a bit better since it's in like a gray box. And another thing that I was really impressed by them, can you see the icons? I don't know how AI did it, but like an icon for like a specific thing. And they give you a quote, like, when designing great user experience, your product or service should be useful, usable, and used. That is true. I stand by that quote. Even if Perplexity was first, Arc is doing it better. Okay, so I got the plan. Oh my God. I really hope it's not gonna cost me $200 now. Okay, let's click this image upload. I don't know, let's upload an image, I guess. Let's upload an image of my tomato cherries. And if you wonder why I take photos of my abs, I have another YouTube channel where I'm documenting my fitness and weight loss journey. Ask anything. How do I grow cherry tomatoes? Do these seeds look okay? It's not seeds, it's sprouts. Do these babies, I'm gonna say babies. While it's thinking, the skeleton stays like the sources and answers. So the source is the photo, or is, yes, the source is the photo, which is strange because the source should be like, where does it take the knowledge from, right? Sitting in the image provided does not appear to be cherry tomato plants. I planted these. These are cherry tomatoes, like, for sure, unless my memory is like, add follow-up questions. What do these sprouts look like? So that's a follow-up question. If it will say bell pepper, my memory is, the sprouts in photo look like young seeding with thin, delicate stems and small green leaves. Okay, what type of plant are the sprouts? Okay, that's what I wanted. I really love their follow-up questions. I like it. I think it's an amazing feature. And I think it's very similar to where Google has, like, you know, when you type a question into Google and they have like more related answers. I'm gonna update you whether it's cherry tomatoes or not. This video is a bit chaotic. Every time I do a first review of an app, it turns into a chaotic video. I'm so sorry. Anyway, in terms of UI, ooh, here again. So you see, I have the icon of the images and I don't have images in my page. Okay, so if I click the gallery, I can see just images. And okay, why do they do it? I wonder. Why do they make me like click the photo and only then show me like photos? And now I can't like collapse them again. So that's a bit of a strange behavior. Very strange UX. I'm not sure why. And if I click play...
The sprouts in the photo look like young seedlings with thin...
Okay, so the play, which is a pro feature, is just to like read the text. Okay, I have another question. See this plant? It's not growing for like 6 months now. And I want to ask, what can I do to make my snake plant grow? Okay, I think we got a really good example of the type of search that Arc Search gave me. And it was way more thorough. Like, it was actually, I felt that with Arc Search, it literally tells me like the information I need to fix the issue with my plant. And Perplexity, on the other hand, only gave me like the titles, you know, it was much shorter like explanation. So I don't know what to say. I think we have a clear winner here. Let me know which team you're on. Are you team Perplexity or your team Arc Search? I'm here. UI wise, it's more, it brings me peace. But to be honest, the fact that Arc is both a normal Google search and a AI conversational search is kind of like 2 for 1, you know, and I'm really here for that. The only critique that I will have for Arc Search is that I really want them to steal the follow-up questions that Perplexity has. That's it for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test more browsers. I think Edge is gonna be next. If you're interested in that, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next videos. Comment down below which browser you're currently using, and I'll see you next week. Ciao! I need to cancel the trial.